In today's video, I will teach you how to turn pet photos into a toy pet style portraits using AI. Let's get started. With AI-powered tools like Photor's AI artifacts, you can now give your pet the ultimate glow-up by turning them into a toy-like cartoon character that's cute, cuddly, and irresistibly shareable. To do this, go to your browser and start by navigating to Photor's AI artifacts. Now click the Upload Image button and choose a photo of your pet from your device. And make sure the image is clear, well-lit, and shows your pet's face. Headshots works best, and try to avoid photos with too much clutter or other pets in the frame. Once your image is uploaded, look at the left-hand side menu, and you'll see a list of art styles organized by categories. Now scroll down until you find the cartoon section. And click on the toy pet style. And in just a few seconds, Photor's AI will transform your pet into a stuffed animal-like version, complete with soft fur textures, round eyes, and a cute cartoon expression. After the transformation, click on the Compare button at the bottom right corner to toggle between the original photo and the AI-generated version. And if you're not completely happy with the first result, click the Regenerate button on the style thumbnail, and each new version is slightly different. And you can regenerate as many times as you want until you get the perfect portrait. You can try regenerating multiple times, and each attempt may highlight different features of your pet, like their smile, pose, or eye shape. And if you like the style, you can hover over the effect thumbnail and click the star icon to add it to your favorites for future use. And you can find it later under the Favorites tab. And once you've found the perfect result, you can click the Download button, and you can now save your toy-style pet portrait to your device. And you're done! If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.